Looking for an ultra-wide gaming monitor that won't blow your budget, but still looks high-end? Then definitely stick around until the end. Today we're checking out a model that's been getting a lot of attention online, especially because of its price. At first glance, the monitor looks pretty modern. With its slightly aggressive 1500R curve, it really pulls you into the action, perfect for racing games or epic shooters. Build quality? Solid. Sure, you shouldn't expect a full metal housing at this price, but it looks good on a desk and doesn't feel cheap. You also get all the essential ports, 2 HDMI inputs, 1 DisplayPort, and even a headphone jack. Handy if your PC sits under the desk. You'll notice some cost cutting in the ergonomics though. The stand only tilts, no height adjustment, no pivot. Question for you, is that enough for you, or do you want full flexibility like on higher end models? Be sure to check the product links in the description. You'll find the latest deals there. Now for the exciting part, the display. 3440 by 1440 pixels means true UWQ HD resolution. That gives you tons of workspace for multitasking, and while gaming, you'll enjoy a wide immersive field of view. The 165Hz refresh rate delivers ultra-smooth gameplay, especially in fast-paced titles like Call of Duty or Valorant. The 1 millisecond response time is also excellent, at least according to the manufacturer. The built-in VA panel offers strong contrast, which is great for darker scenes. Sure, an IPS panel gives you better viewing angles, but for this price point, it's more than acceptable. What I really like, there are plenty of settings in the OSD on-screen display, including HDR mode, picture-in-picture, and even blue light reduction for long sessions. FreeSync is also included, meaning less tearing and stuttering while gaming. If you want to see more reviews like this, click subscribe, and hitting like really helps the channel. Pros: excellent price to performance ratio, 165Hz and 1 millisecond response, ideal for gaming. Ultra-wide format with strong curvature for immersion, HDR, FreeSync, and many useful OSD features. Plenty of connectivity for most setups. Cons: no height adjustment, limited ergonomics. VA panel can lose quality at wider viewing angles. Build quality may vary. Some users report faint scan lines and dark scenes. Lesser known brand, warranty and support might be tricky. So, is this monitor worth it? If you're looking for an affordable entry into the world of ultra-wide gaming monitors, you're getting a ton of value here. Of course, there are some compromises, mainly in ergonomics and possibly image consistency, but at this price, that's totally normal. And don't forget, you'll find current deals and more info in the video description. Leave a like if this video helped you, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.